Hello YouTube, it's Oliver Shelton here, and this is my YouTube video of review of my M4A1 carbine. As you can see from my previous video, I didn't put the bipod on because one, it weighs the gun down. Two, I think it looks a bit cooler just with the torch. Yeah, cause look at the plastic that is. Yeah. It's pretty cool. So yeah, in this video you see a shooting test review. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, so yep. Here's the just review first, okay. Hi YouTube, M4 carbine review. It's a pretty good gun. Torch on it. It's got the full grip. You can easily take that off by screwing that. Iron sight, but you can also put the scope on it. Nice and easy pull out magazine. Safety there. Good. M6. And yeah. Recommend bones. Okay. A random elf.
Hey, I'm not an elf, I'm taller than you.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Fine then.
No, seriously, go. This will hurt.
Oh, there's nothing in your gun.
Fine then, should I prove it? What?
Did you just say fine then, Shepherd?
Look at that. Loading. Okay, basically guys, before we do any shooting, I'm going to show you how to load it. The magazine, it's got the pullback, adjustable spring, and feed the bullets in at the top there. See them there? Just put some more in and show you the shooting review. Okay, so shooting review. Okay, so I hope this gun is good. So yeah, let's check where that went. Okay, YouTube, did some pretty big damage. Made a hole, gone through the other, one hole there, the other side. It's pretty cool. It's pretty good range. It's pretty cool, and then yeah, that's pretty awesome. So, like I said, I definitely recommend buying this gun. It's from Just BBs, and yeah, you should go out and buy it. Okay, bye. This is my M4 carbine.